Good morning students, welcome back in your mathematics class. Today we will do chapter 4, ratio, proportion and unitary method. Rohan has 5 stamps more than Sonal. रोहन हैज़ 5 स्टैम्प मोर देन सोनल. रोहन के पास सोनल से 5 स्टैम्प्स क्या हैं? रोहन हैज़ 5 स्टैम्प्स मोर देन सोनल. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. रोहन stamps and this is the Sonal stamps. Yes beta. Now we will find the ratio of Rohan stamp and Sonal stamp. 15 divided by 10. 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 3 by 2. 3 ratio 2. It means comparing two quantities by division is called ratio. Comparing two quantities by division is called ratio. Comparing two quantities by division is called ratio. Clear to all of you? Comparing two quantities by division is called ratio. In first worksheet we will do ratio, in second proportion, and in third one we will do unitary method. You will write the definition of ratio. Now 15 by 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 3 ratio 2. This is the first term and this is the second term. In book we have given page number 77 the name of first term antecedent and the name of second term consequent. But we will use only first term and second term. Yes beta. Now we have given a table and we will find the ratio. And how can we read this ratio? We have given a table. Fraction. This is the fraction. 14 by 16. Ratio 14 ratio 16. Simplest form like 15 by 10. 15 by 10 simplest form 3 by 2. 14 by 16 simplest form 2 7 ja 2 8 ja 7 ratio 8. Read as. How can we read? 7 ratio 8, we can read 7 ratio 8 or we can read 7 is to 8. Suppose कि हमारा fraction है 7 by 8. How can we read this? 7 is to 8. We can read 7 divided by 8, but in the form of ratio we can read 7 is to 8. Clear to all of you? We have given 8 examples. Do these examples. Open page number page number 77. Remember, first point, two quantities compared should be expressed in same unit. Two quantities should be expressed in same unit. Example, 2 ratio 2 meter to 75 centimeter. In these we will change meter into centimeter. In 1 meter there are 100 centimeter, in 2 meter there are 200 centimeter. First of all we will change into same unit. Second, the name units of two quantity should not be used in ratio. Suppose we have given 200 centimeter to 75 centimeter, but in ratio we will not write centimeter. Suppose 200 by 75, 25 8 या 25 3 या. In ratio we will write only 8:3, not centimeter. We will not write centimeter. In ratio we will not write name and units. Third one, two quantity compare should be of same kind. The quantity should be of same kind. Suppose there are rupees and apples. They cannot be compared. Example, page number 77, rupees 20 and 5 apples. These quantities are not same. We cannot compare this quantity. If there are apples, then in this side there are also apples. Either apple or rupees, both quantity are same. हमारी दोनों क्वांटिटी क्या होनी चाहिए? सेम काइंड की होनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, फोर्थ पॉइंट, रेशियो शुड बी ऑलवेज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. रेशियो को हम सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में चेंज कर सकते हैं. लाइक दिस 200 by 75, 8:3. This is given in fourth point. Ratio can be expressed in simplest form. In book we have given example 17:51. 17:51. What is the table of 17? Yes, beta. I have given you the idea to write the table like this. 17. First of all, write the table of 17. Very easy method. Then table of 1. Yes, beta. Now we will write table 17. Add 2 and 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 4, 10. 7 plus 4, 11. 8 plus 5, 13. 9 plus 6, 15. And last 17 times 170. 17 1 जा 17, 17 3 जा 51. Clear to all of you? We can change into simplest form. Simplest form, or we can say lowest form. Next point, order of term in ratio is important. जिस ऑर्डर में हमें रेशो पूछी गई है हमें उसी ऑर्डर में करना है. Clear to all of you? This is the fifth point. Suppose we have given ratio of boys to girls Then first we will write boys. If we have given ratio of girls to boy, then we will write first girl. Example, ratio of boys and girls 3:2. Then what is the ratio of girls to boy? This is very important. Student, interchange this order. जो हमें पहले दिया वो पहले लिखना है. आप जब क्वेश्चन करोगे आप इसको रॉन्ग कर दोगे. Do very carefully in worksheet 1. Ratio of boys and girls 3:2. Then what is the ratio of girls and boys? First of all we write 2, then we will write 3. There is a difference between these two ratios. They are not same. Clear to all of you beta? Page number 78. Note, we have given note, very important note. These are very useful for us. A ratio gives the relative size of two quantity, not the actual amount of quantity. रेशो से हमें रिलेटिव साइज पता चलता है कि दोनों के साइज में क्या रिलेशन है, एक्चुअल नहीं पता चलता है. सपोज 15/20, दिस इज द एक्चुअल अमाउंट, बट व्हेन वी चेंज इनटू रेशो इट चेंज 5 3 जा 15, 5 4 जा 20, then ratio 3 4 ratio then the what is the ratio? 3:4. 15/20 is the actual amount, but ratio 3:4 means relative amount. 3:4, any number also represent 3:4, like 12/16. 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16. This is also 3:4. It means ratio give the relative size of two quantities, not the actual amount of two quantity. Clear beta? This is very very important point. Next, second note. In second note we have given the ratio of red balls to a yellow balls. The ratio of red balls to yellow balls in a box 3:4. These ratios tell us that for every 3 red ball there are 4 yellow balls. Ratio of red ball, yellow ball. We have given ratio 3:4. It means for every 3 red ball, there are 4 yellow balls. It does not tell us that the number of red ball is equal to 3 and your yellow ball is equal to 4. रेशो से हमें ये नहीं बता रहा कि वो रेड बॉल 3 ही है और येलो बॉल 4 ही है. क्लियर बेटा? अगर हमारे पास रेड बॉल है तो येलो बॉल उसके कंपैरिजन में वहाँ कितनी है? क्लियर बेटा? वहाँ रेड बॉल हमारी 6 भी हो सकती है. अगर रेड बॉल 6 है तो येलो बॉल कितनी होंगी वहाँ? 8. तभी तो 3:4 आएगा. हमारी रेड बॉल 6 और 8 भी हो सकती है हमारी रेड बॉल. अगर 9 है तो येलो बॉल कंपैरिजन में कितनी होंगी? 12. इफ रेड बॉल 15 then yellow ball 20. Yes beta, clear to all of you? It does not tell us that the number of red ball is equal to 3 and yellow ball is equal to 4. Means it is not the actual amount of two quantities. Now we will do examples. Example first. Express the following pair into ratio in simplest form. Very easy. 4 meter long cloth and 2 meter long cloth. Then what is the ratio? 4:2. We can write 4 divided by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. 2 by 1. Ratio 2:1. Example 1, very easy. In B part, we have given weight of sugar in bags. Weight of sugar in 2 bags. In first bag, weight of sugar 150 and in second 120. We have given 120. Now 0 0 cancel. 15. 0 0 cancel. 3 5 are 15. 3 4 are 12. 5 by 4. 5:4. Answer 5:4. You can do these C parts. Do yourself. Example 2. In example 2, units are not same. First of all, we will convert the unit into. First of all, we will convert kilogram into gram. Example 2. In example 2, ratio of 3 kilogram to 250 gram. Ratio of 3 kilogram to 250 gram. Convert kilogram into gram. 3000. In 1 kilogram there are 1000 gram. 250 gram. Ratio 0 0 cancel. 25 125. 25 125. 25 2 ja 50. So what is the ratio? 12:1. Example 3rd. Example 3. Mr. Gupta earned rupees 4,500 in a month. He spent 3,600. Mr. Gupta earning rupees 4,000. Earn means कमाना और spend means खर्च करना. स्पेंड को हम एक्सपेंडिचर भी कह सकते हैं. एक्सपेंडिचर, स्पेंड एंड एक्सपेंडिचर आर सेम. देयर आर गिवन एक्सपेंडिचर रुपीज 3600. Saving, what is the saving? 15 minus 6 9. Save means कितनी बचत हुई उसे? 900. Now we have given 3 parts A, B, C. First of all, A part. In A part, do very carefully. ऑर्डर ऑफ टर्म इन ए रेशो इज इम्पोर्टेंट. आपने ऑर्डर को चेंज नहीं करना. ऑर्डर इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बेटा, तो चेंज मत करना आप इसको, नहीं तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. अर्निंग टू एक्सपेंडिचर. अर्निंग पहले है, एक्सपेंडिचर बाद में है, तो आपने अर्निंग पहले लिखनी है बेटा. ऑर्डर चेंज मत कर देना, इसको इंटरचेंज मत कर देना. जीरो जीरो कैंसिल. 9 4 जा 36, 9 5 जा 45. आंसर 5:4. हम ये रब नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि हमें इसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी. मैं ऊपर कर रही हूँ। बी पार्ट, एक्सपेंडिचर टू सेविंग, एक्सपेंडिचर टू सेविंग। ऑर्डर चेंज मत करना, आपको बार बार बोल रही हूँ मैं, रॉन्ग हो जाएगा बेटा आपका। एक्सपेंडिचर 3600, सेविंग 2020 कैंसल, 9 1 जा 9, 9 4 जा 36, 4:1। सी पार्ट, सेविंग टू अर्निंग, सेविंग टू अर्निंग। What is the saving? 900. What is the earning? 2020 cancel. 9 1 जा 9, 9 5 जा 45. Answer 1:5. Thank you. Have a nice day, beta.